Got some. Doesn't feel very big. Okay, that's something decent. Maybe we do have something big. Not sure if it's a sheepshead or not. We'll see. Yeah, looks like we got a sheepshead. Oh, decent sized one too, guys. Let's go. All right. Tighten up that drag. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Let's go. That is a good sheepshead. First sheepshead of the year. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, look at that sheepshead, guys. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, good one. Right at 20 and a half. All right, we're on our last fiddler crab. What do we got? Oh, nice. Got a sheepshead. Let's go. That one should be at least 12. Come on, buddy. There we go. Last fiddler crab. Probably last fish of the day. Right at 16 inches on this bad boy. Good fish.